Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to share files and folders between Windows 10 computers. Right-click Drive or Folder, click Properties. Click Sharing tab. Click Advanced Sharing. Check Share this folder. Click Permissions. Check All. Apply, OK. Apply, OK. Right-click Drive or Folder, click Properties. Click Security tab. Click Edit. Click Add. Type Everyone, click Check Names. Check all checkboxes. Click Apply, OK. Right-click this PC, Properties. Find your device name. Right-click Start button, click Run. Type / device name or computer name. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.